What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel. Tonight, today's video, we are going to review the AgroFunds. Let's see how the project is doing. Okay, guys. So I've been rolling. Excuse me. I've got a bit of a cold. I've been rolling with this project for about 9 days. Okay, and so far, so good. I have to admit that I had some issues with my logins, login password, and all that, but that was due to the system being under maintenance. So they were updating the system. So every time you log in now, you will have to enter your username instead of email address. Okay, and also the 2FA is now active. Okay, so there's an extra layer of security. Okay, so ever since they update the website, everything has been working fine. So what is AgroFunds? So AgroFunds essentially, it's a platform where you're gonna invest, okay, and you will earn returns on a daily basis. Over here we can see that we have two plans. So the 6% daily plan, and we have the 10% daily plan. Okay, the 6% daily plan, the total profit is going to be 50%. Okay, and then after 10 days you will be able to cash out your initial return. The minimum investment is 100 bucks up to 7,000 bucks. Okay, so this is called the Ruby plan. And then the 10% daily is called the final plan, where you're going to make a profit of 150% for the deposit duration of 15 days. The minimum investment is 10K and goes all the way to 50K. And then after the 15-day plan, you can collect your principal. Okay, so how much you will earn. So if you come over here to the calculator, and for example, let's say you deposit 500 bucks on the Ruby plan, because the minimum is 100, it goes all the way to 7,000. Okay, you will earn 6% daily. So the daily payout is going to be 330 bucks. Okay, and the total return after 10 days is going to be 300 bucks. Okay, so cool. Over here, if you scroll further down, we can find more information about the company, the register, company, house site, and yeah, so if you scroll all the way down, you can see the statistics, you can see the number of investors, total users, total deposits, total withdrawals, and running days. Okay, 409 running days. Okay, and down here we can see trades. Okay, where are potential trades, where they perform buys and sells in Forex exchange. Okay, and down here, we can see more information about the project. Over here, we got the white paper, contacts, FAQs, investors, affiliate, and etc. Okay, guys, enough of the chit chat. Let's go over to my account and let's see what's up. Okay, guys, so this is my dashboard. This is my account. And right now, as you can see, I have 60 USDT to collect plus 17.5 BUSD. Okay, by the way, guys, this 17.5 BUSD, what I'm going to do with it, I'm going to give away 15 bucks. Okay, I'm going to give away 15 bucks for whoever joins the platform under my referral link. Okay, and I will be able to see your name right here, and then once you make that deposit, I will do the giveaway. Actually no, actually you don't have to deposit. So whoever's watching this video all the way to here right now, I'm gonna give away 15 bucks. All you gotta do is go to my Telegram giveaway. The link's gonna be in the description, and write it down. 15 bucks giveaway. Okay, guys, so the first 10 people, write it down. Okay, I'm gonna randomly pick just one person, and yeah, that person will get the 15 bucks. Okay, but don't forget to drop a like on this video. Okay, we need to get 10 likes on this video at least, so that means 10 people will join my Telegram giveaway, and one of those 10 people will get the 15 bucks. Okay, so that will help this channel to grow. Okay, so right now, let's continue. As you can see, I've got 60 bucks right here and 17.5 right here. And, prior to withdraw, make sure that you add your wallet address. You come over here to settings, okay, and make sure that you add your wallet address. So this is my BUSD wallet address, okay, and this is my USDT TRC20 wallet address. Okay, don't try to withdraw without adding your wallet address. So once you add your wallet address, make sure you save the settings and then go back and make sure the wallet is there. Okay, so once the wallet is there, you are good to go. So you come over here to withdraw, and then as you can see right here, I have 17 right there and 60 right there. So what I will do is I will do 17.5 for the BUSD right there. Okay, you hit make withdraw, and then I will do $60 for the USDT. Okay, so you come over here and you do $60 USDT TRC20. Okay, you make withdraw, and that's it. That's that, guys. It takes, you know, from a few minutes to a couple of hours, depends on how busy the the blockchain is. Okay, but as you can see right here, we got some pendings. This was just a testing that I was making in the previous videos. Okay, but as you can see right here, they're all being approved. Okay, so it's just pending, but eventually they will go through. Okay, as you can see, approved, approved, approved. This one was a deposit. That was just making a tutorial. It's pending. Obviously, I haven't made a payment, so it's still pending. Okay, and you can see that it's been working. Okay, guys. Again, $15 giveaway. So all you gotta do, drop a like on this video, comment on this video, whatever you want to comment. Okay, go to my Telegram giveaways and type in $15 giveaway. Okay, so the first 10 people, they will be selected for this giveaway. I will select one person to win $15. That being said, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.